guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I thought it would be fun to share with you my winter capsule wardrobe, but travel edition. So I've been doing capsule wardrobing for well over a year now, and I absolutely love it, and I've been doing them pretty regularly over here on my channel. And I didn't do a winter one. I feel like honestly I can combine my winter with my autumn for the most part. You guys see a lot of my fashion styling videos, and I typically stick with neutrals and basics and things like that, but I thought it would be fun to share with you what I'm bringing on my almost 3-week travel excursion for the holidays. Just saying, it makes me a little nauseous, but it's gonna be fun, it's gonna be great. So basically, I find that I typically pack in outfits for trips, and I think less about the versatility of each one of my pieces. And I think that's hard because I'm somebody who capsule wardrobes in my day-to-day, so why am I changing it for when I'm going on a vacation? So if you can relate to that, hopefully this video will help you, and I will report back to see if it actually helps me on my trip. But I kind of just pulled pieces that I know I can style a million different ways. I've styled them a million different ways, basics, but I think we may have gotten a little overboard, but I don't know. It's 3 weeks. I do have access to a washing machine, but it's 3 weeks and it's different temperatures. So we're going to Texas for about a week and a half, and then going to New York for a week and a half. So yeah, Texas, we have like 3 different Christmases where you need to dress a little bit nicer, and then in New York I'm like bum life. I don't care because it's just my family. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump in and show you what I'm planning to pack. Of course, pajamas, undies, socks, all those things. And then I'm also going to be bringing snow boots and snow pants for when we're in New York to go like snowmobiling. Hopefully it's snowing. But anyway, let's dive in. Let me show you some of my basics that I'm planning to pack with me. And hopefully if you struggle with your selection when you get to wherever your destination is and feel like you just don't have your basic outfits that you feel really good and comfortable in and can just grab and go, then maybe capsule wardrobing your vacation wardrobe will help as well. And coincidentally, these are also things that I wear all the time anyway. So let's jump in. First, t-shirts. Now I'm gonna be in Texas, and also I love layering with these. So these can go underneath my sweaters, and these can go just as plain shirts if it's not super cold out or we're in the house, you know what I mean? So I have a plain white one. These are both from Everlane, and I believe these are both the same organic cotton style situation. I don't know, but I love the way these fit. I feel like you can dress them up, or they can be really casual with a pair of sweatpants. They're lightly oversized, but really not. They fit very nice in my opinion, but not like skin tight either. So love these. Again, these can be worn underneath things or plain on their own, underneath sweaters, things like that. So I have 2 basics, which I honestly forget to bring basics like this on my vacations quite a bit. So I'm happy that I planned that. And then this, a black ribbed long sleeve. I feel like, again, layers for warmth. Basic, can be worn on its own. Under sweaters, just versatile. They're like just basic. Oh, I decided I'm actually going to swap this out for my Everlane one because I like the fit of that a bit more. I think it's a little bit more versatile, but just a striped long sleeve. This one specifically is from Zara, but the one I'm actually going to bring is from Everlane, and it's still available, and it's one of my favorite shirts. So this, just a striped long sleeve situation. I can wear this on its own. I can wear this with different colored jeans to give a different vibe, which I'll show you in a minute, or over the shoulders or something like that. Now these next couple of tops are all button-ups, but the first one is a kind of a nicer-ish button-up. I thought this with a pair of jeans would be nice for like a Christmas, one of our Christmas gatherings. I've just been wanting to wear this so much, and I think it's super cute and girly, and it's this little like peplum button-up, white button-up style, and I can wear this many different ways as well. I don't just have to wear it for that one event. On that same page, I have 3 button-ups because I'm a button-up girl, and I love how many different ways you can wear this. You can style it like open, you can style it like off the shoulder a little bit for like a night out sort of look. That's just super easy. So this black one, I was like, do I really need it? Because I'm bringing the other black top, but I think I'm gonna bring it anyways. A striped one because it's Christmassy green theme, so I figured I could wear it for one of the nights, and also it's just a staple for me. I wear it often. And then a white one. Again, pretty self-explanatory. I know I'm doing the white Peter Pan top with this, but I still think it's necessary. We'll see if it's all necessary once I stuff it all in my suitcase. Now, I'm bringing quite a few sweaters because this is something that's just easy and just like a no-brainer and can be paired so many different ways as well. You guys know I'm a huge sucker for the sweater over the shoulder trend, but I also just like to wear sweaters. So I'm bringing 5 of these. So we've got the 2 neutrals, like a creamy tan, basic, and then like an oatmeal-y tan color. And then we've got a red one, which I figured I could wear. I love this. I've been wearing this a ton. I love to have like a white top poke out the bottom of it. I also love to throw this over the shoulders of one of my button-ups, but this will be cute for many different reasons. Plus, I figured a Christmas thing, so I have my 3 potential Christmas outfits with the Peter Pan top, the green striped button-up, and then that red sweater. And then for my darker sweaters, I have this like dark navy, which is just such a good length and perfectly oversized, and then a black little cable knit option as well. And again, these can be worn just so many different ways, and they've already been like such staples for my fall wardrobe, so, and even into winter. So that's all for tops. What do you think? Do you think for 3 weeks that's too much? I really don't. I honestly think it's a good amount where I'm not doing laundry every day. But we'll see. The next thing I have is just a pair of joggers. These are just a pair of like Halara ribbed black joggers, just basic, can be worn around the house, can be worn running errands, whatever. Just like something I can put on that's not jeans. So I have a pair of those. I might also bring a pair of navy ones if I have room. I have 4 pairs of jeans, which might seem like a lot, but also that's the only bottoms that I'm bringing besides joggers and sweatpants. Like, so I feel like I need a decent amount. I don't know. I feel like 4 jeans for 3 weeks is like, come on, you are being so conservative. So we have a black pair of jeans. These can be worn night out. These can be worn day to day. But I feel like I need those, and they go with the shoe selection that I picked. My A Goldie, these are my light wash. These are more of my like comfy jeans. I can wear these around the house all day and not be like, get me out of these jeans. These are sit down, stand, run around jeans. If you know, you know. So that's those. Oh, man down. Okay. Next, jeans. I have like a medium wash stretchy pair. These are like in the size short, or the length short, so they can be paired with, like, they're a little bit like an ankle fit, which I like to put socks on with these and my clogs, or they just really go with any of the shoe selection that I picked. So I love these. They're just a basic medium wash and I love them. Perfectly stretchy and great. And then my Levi's, which have been my favorite jeans. These are the 501s in a more of a darker wash. My favorite jeans of literally the last couple of months. I wear them everywhere nonstop. I want them in other color selections. I just don't like / need any of the selections that they have. So that's it for tops and bottoms. I don't think it's too bad. 4 pairs of jeans, a pair of comfy joggers, 5 sweaters, 4 button-ups, 3 long sleeves, and 2 t-shirts. It's giving options. Okay. Now, I'm so sad. You guys saw in my last Quince video, if you watched that, I hauled this sweater or sweatshirt, hoodie, and I also got the matching joggers, but unfortunately they're in a medium and they're a little bit too big. So I ordered the small, but they're on back order. So unfortunately I don't have a matching sweat set for this, but I still think a good sweatshirt is just essential. Like, you need it to just throw on with jeans, throw on with the joggers. Like, it's just a basic, a goodie. And for layering when it's cold, I need that. We're also driving the RV from Texas to New York, so I'm gonna need comfies, okay? For 24 hours with my brother and Arlo. Wish me luck. The next thing is this little sweat set. I've had this from H&M for 2 years now. I have cuter sweat sets and I have comfier sweat sets, but this is the best of both worlds. Like, it's cute enough and it's comfy enough. Like, no, it's comfy, but it's cute enough to like wear as an outfit with some cute sneakers or something out and about, but it's also comfy enough to sleep in, chill in, whatever. So yes, needed a good sweat set. Like I said, I probably wouldn't bring this if I had the gray ones, but unfortunately they are not gonna make it to me in time. Next piece is this little Sherpa thing. I've been living in this. This is just great to throw on over the top of things, and it can be an outfit in itself. I wore the heck out of this when I was in Alaska, and I've worn it so much recently, just like over the top of workout sets, over the top of just anything where I want warmth but it's not jacket weather. This little Sherpa has been my go-to, and I think it's kind of cute and it's neutral enough, so it can be mixed with the black shirt, the green shirt. I guess you could put the white shirt on it as well. Now jackets, this is where I'm like, do I need all of these? You let me know. The first one is kind of this like casual but slightly dressier but still casual, like I could wear this with my sweat set and be good, coat that's in green, and it's pretty long. I love this. I wore the heck out of this when I was in Alaska as well. It doesn't have a hood, but it's like warm enough for like day to day, especially in Texas if I need one at all, which I mean, I don't think so. I didn't even wear a coat today and it's 27 degrees. It's sunny. So next one I have is my Quince. This is like a dupe for the Aritzia Super Puff. This is like my it's freezing, like it's snowing in New York, or we're going snowmobiling or playing outside with Arlo in the snow. This is just a great cold winter jacket. It can be, you know, perfect. So I'm definitely bringing this. Now I'm debating if I need this gray one or not. I would wear this for like, I don't know, nicer-ish stuff that I wouldn't wear the green thing to, but I could wear the green thing too. So I'm still on the fence about this. If this fits, cool. If not, it's not a huge thing. But this is kind of like a coat again, so it's not super heavy, which is why I'm like, do you really need it? But it's cute. So it's possible. I haven't decided if I'm bringing this or not, but just a gray long trench coat is on the list. Now let me run you through my shoes and the limited accessories I'm bringing, because I'm really not bringing any. I'm only bringing one purse. Like, all of these items can be paired with this purse and it's fine. Slash, I don't really bring a purse every single place I go. Yeah, so this purse will work perfectly. I love that thing. It can be crossbody, it can be handle, shoulder, whatever. I'm also bringing 2 baseball caps. I just like these to elevate an outfit, to hide my dirty hair, whatever the case may be. So I have just a plain charcoal and then a green one, which I thought was fun. So bringing 2 baseball caps. And then for shoes, I don't know if I need all these, but let's go through them really quick. First pair are my Converse. I just like these because they'll go with the black jeans, they'll go with any of the jeans that I selected, or black button up or something like that. I feel like these can be slightly night out shoes, casual night out shoes, okay? We're not going anything too fancy, but these I think will be perfect for what they are. Next shoe are my Sambas. These are just quick and easy like throw-ons that I like live in. I have beaten the heck out of these shoes. I just bought a pair for Arlo and I'm like, how are mine so just like beat up, worn down? Ew, I don't even know what is on the bottom of my shoe. But these are just comfy. I can wear these with jeans, my sweat sets, anything, just throw on and go and they're good to go. Okay, I'm debating if I really need to bring these. These will be comfy little like house shoes, and slash I can wear them out of the house. But realistically, if it's like snowy and slushy in New York, I'm not gonna wear these out and about. I did just order the ones that have the rubber bit on them, but I don't think they're gonna arrive in time. So I'm like, do I need these? I don't know. I'm still on the fence. These though I am bringing because they're just, like I can wear these. I don't know, should I wear these in the snow? Probably not. But they're just good. I can wear these a ton in Texas with the jeans. Any of the jeans that I have picked, these go with, so they're a versatile shoe. So, and I live in them, and I love them with like socks, and they're just my little potato comfy shoes. So that is it. That is my travel capsule wardrobe. Let me know y'all's thoughts. Hair's driving me nuts. Down below. I still have time. No, I won't. I'll be gone. But still, let me know if you think this is crazy too much, not enough for 3 weeks. Yeah, I'll let you know when I get everything into a suitcase, but this is the plan. I think this is reasonable, and yeah, I don't know. I'm excited to see how a travel capsule wardrobe works for me, and hopefully I will love it, and it will continue to be the way I pack from now on, because I'm a chronic overpacker, and never really an underpacker of basics. So hopefully this kind of like nipped those 2 problems in the butt, and hopefully you get inspiration from it if you have any of the following issues that I have. But I hope you guys enjoyed, found this video fun, helpful, whatever, and I will see you guys in my next video very, very soon.